Hello, and welcome to this session for tension release. Let's start by taking deep breaths in and out. Then slowly turn your head to the right, to the center, then to the left, back to the center, to the right, center, and left again. Repeat this twice. From here, look down, center, look up, then back to the center, and repeat twice. Good. Then turn your head to the left and draw a semicircle with your chin towards your right shoulder, lifting your chin slightly. Count shoulder, chest, shoulder. To keep the pace slow, repeat 5 times. And then gently move on to drawing a full circle, looking slightly upwards. Repeat the whole movement twice. Now switch. Make sure to keep the neck relaxed and the movement flowing and gentle to give the upper part of the spine a sweet massage and release tension. Close your eyes if you wish. Repeat here 3 times. We continue with the wrists. Pull the hands on both sides to hip height and begin to circle them inward. Our hand and wrist have a complex network of muscles, bones, nerves, blood vessels, tendons, and ligaments. This movement helps to release stiffness in the wrists, hands, and fingers and keep them flexible. And 7 times in the other direction. Now lift your arms up and start circling them in one direction. This relieves pain and releases tension near the elbow joints. Make sure you move gentle, no pressure applied. Then circle in the other direction for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Continue with your shoulders by pulling them up and circling back and down. Use your elbows here to guide you into a gentle, flowing movement, opening the chest and shoulder blades. And then switch for 8 counts. Let your arms hang and pause. For the next exercise, Raise your arms up and separate them at head level. Make a loose fist and pull your elbows down. Raise your arms, round your back, and pull your elbows towards your belly. Inhale, unravel. Allow the chest to expand and gently arc the back. Exhale, draw your elbows towards your belly, sink in and relax your back. Inhale deeply as you open towards the front of your body. Repeat this 6 more times. Now release the arms and let's move on to the next sequence. Start circling the hips in one direction. Make sure you are in a comfortable and relaxed position and let your upper body flow with you for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then rotate 10 times in the other direction. Gradually come to a close. Very good. From here, step forwards and swing your arms overhead, opening the chest. Step back as you swing your arms down. Swing up and open, then down to release. Let's connect this to our breath. Inhale, reach up. Exhale and release. Repeat the movement a few more times for yourself. Now step backwards with your front foot and forwards with your back foot. Swing your arms upwards and swing them down. Repeat this a few more times for yourself. Again together. Swing your arms up. Open your chest and lengthen. Shoulders and arms are relaxed. Now come onto your back leg and release anything heavy. Repeat this 7 times. Very good. Lower your arms to the side. Relax your knees and lower your tailbone. Now raise your arms and hold them in front of your chest to hug the tree. Relax your shoulders here and tilt your chin slightly down. Feel how your crown rises towards the sky and how you are grounded through your feet. Stay like this and just observe. Then slowly lower your arms and notice how you feel after this exercise. Thanks for being here. See you next time.